Hi guys, I'm Erica. Welcome to Hack Your Health. Today we have a new specific carbohydrate diet friendly recipe for you. My sister wanted to do a dessert next, so today we're going to make custard. So to make the custard, we're going to need honey, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, 1 can of coconut milk, and 4 eggs. So first start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to take our can of coconut milk. So this one is a 400 milliliter can. I'm going to empty it into the saucepan. I'm going to turn this on to medium-low temperature. So just keep an eye on it and keep stirring it with a fork until it starts to simmer. As it starts to heat up, I'm going to put 4 eggs in my bowl. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to whisk together the eggs, honey, and vanilla. So now my coconut milk is starting to simmer, so I'm going to turn off the stove. You can see that it's making these small bubbles every once in a while. I'm going to put it 1 tablespoon at a time into my egg mixture. Be sure to add it slowly so it doesn't cook the eggs, and continue to stir as you add it. And now that I've added the first few spoonfuls, I'm going to slowly start to add it by pouring it in very slowly. So now I've added all the coconut milk and this is completely stirred, so I'm going to start adding it to the containers. So I'm going to use this muffin tray because I don't have an actual custard dish. And just to make sure it doesn't stick, I'm going to grease these. Okay, so I've greased the muffin tin, and now I'm going to add the custard. I have a baking pan half filled with water, and I'm going to add this on top of it so that the level of the water comes to halfway up the custard. So now I have my dishes filled with the batter. I have them halfway covered by hot water in this pan, and the last thing that needs to be done is to sprinkle some nutmeg and cinnamon on top of them. Now I'm just going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to check off on it about half an hour because these are a very small container, so they should cook more quickly. But if you put them in a bigger container like a pie plate or something like that, it might take longer to cook. You'll know if they're ready when they're firm on top. So it's been about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to leave the tray of hot water in the oven and only take out the muffin tray. And this is what the custards look like now. So I'm just going to let them cool for a few minutes, and I'm going to turn off the oven. So that's how you make specific carbohydrate diet friendly custard. This is what they ended up looking like. So you can see that they kind of were puffy at the very beginning and then they sunk a bit. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please press like, and if you want to see more of my videos or have suggestions for future videos, you can subscribe and let me know what your suggestions are. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bon appetit.